Hello and welcome back dear subscribe. Today I have come up with the big update regarding the NPTEL courses July to December 2020. So here the NPTEL has revised the date to start the course. So some of you have got the mail, some of you have got in the spam box and some in the other box. So you are unable to track where and when the course will start. So you have a lots of confusion. So I think this video is going to solve all your doubts regarding the NPTEL courses July to December. So this is the official website of the NPTEL. You can see the link here. So this is nptel.ac.in and this is the website link of the NPTEL main website link. This is not the Swamya website link. This is from NPTEL, direct NPTEL link. Swamya is made of like 7 more online platform and one of them is the NPTEL. But this is directly from NPTEL, so you can get all those authorized information from here. So regarding the course will start, the date had been revised. You can see here, this is the timeline is going on regarding also the exam of January to April 2020. I have already provided video on it. If you are looking for the previous semester exam update or cancellation of exam, you can watch my video. You can check the video in the NPTEL information playlist. And the second, you can see here the July to December 2020 semester revised timelines. So here the NPTEL has revised the times. So what are the date, what they have revised, now we are going to look. Okay, and then after I will come and also suggest you how you can select the best course. I have already provided video on that, we will talk. So here you can see here this notification, this page is updating on every 5 minutes. So if you want any latest information regarding NPTEL or you want to verify or cross check the information is correct or not, then you can come on this page and you can verify it, because on every 5 minutes it is automatically updating. So you will get always the latest information over here. So you can see here July to December 2020 revised timelines. Means due to COVID-19 situation, NPTEL is revising the time. As there is instructor and TA team needs also the health concern, and they also want to be safe in this COVID-19 situation, and a lots of factor the NPTEL is changing the date. So in the courses, you can see here the date is October 9 for 4-week course, for 8-week course November 6, and for 12-week course the December 4th. And the date, the course will, now all the courses will start on September 14, 2020 and by 10. So all courses has been postponed to this date, so you need not to worry. Based on this, all those assignment, zero assignment of all the courses date has been extended. And let me inform you that the zero assignment score will not be calculated towards your assignment score. That is just to make you familiar with the platform of NPT also, that is the zero assignment. So that doesn't make difference whether you solve or not, but I suggest you solve and you learn about the platform. I have already also provided a solution of different zero, even 0-week courses, so you can check my playlist of Deepcode Guru, you will find our solution there. And what are the exam dates? So you can see here the exam dates for the courses are December 18, 19, 20. So there will be 3 days the exam will be conducted. I think November exam is also shifted in the December due to revised, and each date there is 2 session on each date from 9 a.m. to 12 and 2 p.m. to 5. So there will be 2 slot, 2 session for each 3 days. So if you want to write NPTEL examination, means in this semester you can maximum write 6 courses. Each day you can attempt 2 courses, And you also go and check the date of each courses what you are enrolling and planning to write the examination. Otherwise on same date you may have 3 courses on same date, so in that you will get trouble. So you have to go and check those list, okay, the exam date of each and every courses, and you make the note, so your date will not be conflicting. On the same date you will not have more examination, so you can plan accordingly. I will also show you how you can go and verify those date. Open enrollment for course. So course enrollment had opened on May 20, 2020 and closed enrollment on September 21, 2020. So here this is the good news for you. NPTEL has extended the enrollment date. So now still you can enroll the course. Okay guys, so you can enroll the course up to September 21. So based on, I have already provided the video on how you can get NPTEL domain certificate. This is, okay, let me come back, this domain. So about domain certificate, even I have provided a video on how you can get NPTEL STAR certificate. And moreover I have also provided that how you can select the best NPTEL courses and plan. For that you have to just go on my channel DeepCodec Guru and check the playlist. Okay, I will close it, I will go in the playlist and I will show you. Okay guys, so please hold on, I am opening. So the NPTEL information, okay, other here you can see also these are the courses I am going to provide solution in this semester. And here you can see here NPTEL information, the playlist. In this playlist you can see here NPTEL STAR certificate, how to become NPTEL STAR in this year, and also how to register NPTEL online courses with full detail. I have provided all those details, how you can select the best courses, how you can find, how you can filter, those every details you can see the length of my video. So definitely the video is long, but I have provided the full information. I have completed 14 NPTEL courses, so you can understand I have the enough information. And also I have got 3 NPTEL STAR certificate, and also I have completed 37 credit courses, so from NPTEL itself. So you can understand I have sufficient information. You can watch my whole video for more information and can get better chance to enroll one of the best course from NPTEL platform. So guys, you go there and check this all 3 video and you enroll based on your interest. Okay guys, and open exam registration form. So exam registration form will be open on September 14. So if you want to register for exam, then on 14 it will open, and registration will close on November 6. So when the form will be open, I will also provide one small video on how you can register. Those all things I will provide, and I will time to time I will use to give you update about all the NPTEL information. Maybe also this date will be revised based on the COVID-19 situation. So better you subscribe my channel, click on bell icon and stay tuned with DeepCodec Guru, so you will get all those updates on the time. And also you can join Telegram group of DeepCodec Guru. You can find link in video description. So you will get more update there, recent update. And regarding the course, for checking the date of examination, so you can click course list, and here you will get one Excel sheet of the course, entire details you will get. And here you can see all those courses. There is a lots of courses, so this way this is very difficult to find out about your courses. So you just press Ctrl F, or you go for search, or one by one you go, like programming in Java. I am going to search. So you can see here programming in Java, and this is from Devsis Samant, the professor is, and here is from IIT Kharagpur. This is 12 week, and this is return course, and this is going to start from like September 14. So what is this date is September 14. Let me go. So course start on September 14, course end on dash date, and this is the about like exam date. So let me go there. So you can course start on this, course end on it, and exam will be on December 19th. And this is for undergraduate student. This is one type of elective courses, and other details are here available. You can go and check it out. I hope you are good in. So FDP, that course is in FDP category or not. This is from how you can access from Swamya URL or UNOC URL or NPTEL URL. So you can go and check it out. And this way you make the one paper, take one paper and note all those dates and make it a list, so you will not miss any update and you will not miss your assignment. So you just stay tuned with Deep Codec Guru by subscribing my channel, clicking on bell icon. I will provide those all information on time, and I will always there to help you out. So this is all about the July to December 2020 semester courses of the NPTEL, and if there will be any new update, I will soon provide video on that, so you can take advantage of that. So guys, this is all about today video. I again request you guys, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your lots of friends and help them to enroll the best courses. And please you also try for a star certificate and domain certificate. So for details you can watch the video. I will also provide the link in video description for these three courses, three video: domain, NPTEL star certificate, and how to enroll best courses. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful to you, and you are definitely going to share this video in all groups and all your classmates and faculty, so they will definitely appreciate you for sharing this information. And in this COVID-19 situation, please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Codec Guru, and stay learning. And please take care. Have a good time.